Ladies and gents, Six Figs here. We're going to be talking about the one and only ICP, Internet Computer. Let's dive right into this. We got a tweet out of Dominic Williams, and he's talking about the possibility of the Securities and Exchange Commission banning staking. Now, what's he referring to? Well, Kraken has been cracked down upon by the Security and Exchanges Commission by the overlord lizard person, possible squid alien, Gary Gensler. And that's a fact, right? But he goes on to say that the Internet Computer, ICP, is proof of useful work and runs on dedicated hardware, so it won't be directly affected. Governance staking in the network nervous system is also fully decentralized, et cetera, et cetera. Now, what he's getting at here is when it comes down to earning rewards on Internet Computer, folks, you earn rewards for staking your ICP through voting on different proposals on the ecosystem. So that's how users earn rewards. Now, a lot of people trust the exchanges to hold their ICP and things like that. I'm done with that. I don't do that. I think it's a good practice to keep your crypto off these exchanges. I don't care what exchange it is. We've seen how many crash, and nobody thought that they would crash. So just to shout that out. We got a tweet out of Coin Commit, today's top 10 tokens by most commits. XYO, killing it. ICP, killing it. Atom is killing it. Some of these other ones are pretty much killing it. It's interesting, right? Felipe, today NNS showed me a window into the future. What's he talking about? Well, on the NNS, Network Nervous System, you can now see that CKBTC is able to be held in that wallet. So that's pretty sweet. And for those of you guys that don't know what CKBTC is, basically it's a token on the Internet Computer. And it allows you to basically control Bitcoin on Bitcoin's native blockchain. And I'll try to find a video that explains it really well and throw it at the end screens. But we'll dive right into today's news a little bit more. We even got a little bit of coverage out of Binance Smart Chain News, which I thought was pretty sick. CKBTC is live on the Internet Computer. There are giveaways on protocols like OpenChat and deployment to protocols like Discover coming soon. Also, folks, Crypto Girl is showing off the awesome meetup that ICP is having in Bangkok, or had in Bangkok. If you're in Bangkok, hit me up. I may or may not be there sometime this month. Would love to connect over some coffee with people or something like that. But we've got the market, and it's kind of a tossed bag. Tossed salad, I'll call it, because it's been real weird around here lately as far as the crypto market is concerned. Now, I'm just trying to glance and find our beloved ICP. And I'm not seeing it here. It's got to be here. Bear with me. You guys are probably seeing it, and I can't see it. It is up. It's up like 5% today. But we'll go ahead and just look at the TA. Now, for the last couple of weeks, folks, I've been really talking about how I thought that we would see price action interact with this 50 moving average. We're looking at the daily chart. But you guys have seen me draw this line and this line for the last 2 weeks. Basically, once price got above this 200 moving average, I've been saying, watch for this interaction with this 50 moving average. I thought it might run out a couple more weeks, but I do think that there might be a situation that is unfolding. And if you guys caught my CKB video that I just did, really, I'm going to be concerned if we see price flag out here and break through this 50 moving average here. I'm not going to like that one bit. And I'll tell you what, I'll be even more concerned if we see a bounce off the 61.8 or 786 for that matter. Because that could mean that we are gearing up to see a development of the possibility of some sort of harmonic pattern. And really, I just want to kind of measure one thing out quick. So let's say that price comes down, hits the 61.8 level, and then rises back up towards this 61.8 level at about $5.18, maybe up to $5.67, and then retraces. We could be seeing a very nasty retracement occur into March. And we might see ICP trend on down to about $4.26. Could happen. Sorry. But we need to see what happens here. I'm hoping that maybe we just get another bounce and this trend continues on. So right now we're on watch mode to see what happens. So let's look at the 4-hour chart. And yeah, you guys can see symmetrical triangle squeeze. This thing's getting ready to pop. My personal opinion is that right now this price tag is too far away from this Ichimoku cloud here. I'm going to clear this really quick so you guys can see this at a super high level. So we got the symmetrical triangle squeeze. We've got the bear dog leg. What does this mean? Well, this usually means that the trend will continue downwards. But like I said, this price, it's too far from this Ichimoku cloud. And the fact that we have a death cross that is possibly about to happen on the charts kind of has me bullish, because sometimes when you get these death crosses, you can oftentimes get reversals that happen. Here's an example. Death cross, price reversed. So like I said, we have to really be on watch mode as to what goes down here. We could be seeing price set up for another attempt at this 200 moving average around the $5.58 level, somewhere in there. This is go time. Whoa! Look at me. Look at me. I just had to get a little silly right there. But that's it. Check out these end screens. We'll see you guys all in the next video.